So crazy weather, it's just like started raining, it was 91 degrees and boom, storm comes, freaking flooding, all that great stuff. So client can make it over here to take a look at this house. So I went ahead and said, let me go ahead and do a video. So here's the video of 4369 Dalton Lane Circle, something like that, in Dumfries, Virginia. Very nice house. I just did a quick walkthrough, but I'll go ahead and flip it over. And let's begin. So this is you have a two-car driveway, so the two-car garage. As you can see, it's really pouring, even though the sun is kind of out. Walking in here, you have the hardwood floors. You have access to the two-car garage right over here. Boom. And then we go right here. That's just a coat closet, nothing special. You walk downstairs, and you have a sunken basement. There's the HVAC system, the water heater, all that great stuff. Sump pump, in case you're wondering about it. And then we go right here. You have a gas fireplace, and then the rest of the area. You can see me in the mirror. And then right here, you also have a full bath. So it makes it very nice. Going this way, and boom, we have water views. It's a water runoff area, but it's nice and it's still water views technically. And then you have the fence backyard, so if you really want to include your fence, you just run it straight down and call it a day. Well, I guess you have to cross call it. But anyways, let's go ahead and go upstairs. The stairs. Oh, treads, and we come up here and we have carpet, and the carpet's like good quality carpet based off of my knowledge of carpet. You have high ceilings over here. Cubic feet is always wasted space in a sense that you can't do anything with it, but it feels so nice. And then we come over here and boom, you have right here, nice to sit down or overlook the water runoff area, but it's something different that you don't see, and plus you don't have to worry about neighbors ever being back there. Going around, boom, we have the stairs. Going up the stairs, they used to have a run, that's why it's kind of discolored. And we have the dining room. From the dining room, we walk this way, and we have the kitchen. So stainless steel appliances, a little bit older, not brand new, but appliances aren't really that big of an expense in the big scheme of things, right? Don't let appliances stop you, and we keep going. And better yet, let's go ahead and get a view from back here. And there's backsplash, right? Backsplash is always nice because I don't know if you're like me and you cook, you can tend to make a mess. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take the stairs all the way up, and you do have a half bathroom in here, right? Normally, if this was my house, I'd just put the toilet down, because no one wants to imagine what you do in a toilet. But let's just continue going upstairs, and now we have more carpet. Again, carpet in good condition, almost looks brand new. And you have the full bathroom right here. Here I am again. And then you go right here. This is the owner suite. So get fine. And there it is. So spacious, good enough for a king size bed. A couple of dressers, put a TV. Just enough room. And the closet. Always important. I'd rather have a smaller primary bedroom with a larger closet than a larger primary bedroom with a smaller closet. Closet space is always crucial. And we go in here and boom, here is the primary double sinks, and we have the tub and the shower, right? Nothing spectacular, nothing overly fancy. Gets the job done, and that's good. And hopefully they have laundry in here, right? Do they have laundry? And yes, the washer and dryer. They both look newer. Washer and dryers. LG with True Steam, which I'm sure helps. That's just a closet. No one cares about closets. And here's the kids' rooms or company room or whatever, bedroom number 2 and 3. And then the other one. Right there. And you're probably wondering, Brian, how does the closet space look? It's good. It's a good closet space, A little bit bigger and deeper than what I thought. Got wires, so it has functionality. I think this is actually a really, really, really great house. And the school zone is actually very good over here for Prince William County. So I should go ahead and check out this house. I really don't think, based off what I've seen, and the clients can testify, that this house probably will not last very long. It's just very clean, well done. I love the layout of this place. It's a very nice layout. It's unique with the sunken floors. It kind of keeps the space open, but with defined areas. Plus having that small little deck to be able to sit out, look over there, and just kind of relax. If you're looking for a place for kids to play basketball and kick the ball, it's not gonna happen. But it's really not gonna happen with any townhouse, and you have to go with this single family home. I'm just turning off these lights so I don't waste other people's electricity. So we'll go over here. But look how, it looks so nice right here, right? I'll just pause it, and then you come back over here, and I love that feeling. And then how high the ceilings are, right? They're what, 20, 15, 17 feet ceilings from right here. It just feels nice. A lot of natural light in here. Windows are in great condition, which is always important. And yeah, you have that part right there. So I think it's an excellent home. You should definitely check it out. If you don't have an agent, you can always give me a call.